Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. And please do not look at the screen. We are bumpity bump bump bump. I do not have a car mount in my car, and so my husband found an old one. And the only way I could get it to attach to the window leads us to bouncity bounce 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 if I want to be safe in my vehicle. So sorry for that, but I am super excited because I am doing something I have never done before. I can't wait to see what is at the end of this road, people. I am so excited. And it is Saturday afternoon. It is almost 2 p.m. and 2 p.m. is when this event is happening. And if you stick around on this video, I promise the next clip will not be as bumpy, but will be amazing. So stick around. I can't wait so much. I'm beside myself. So until next time, it'll be for you just a few seconds, if not milliseconds. For me, it'll be, soon. So love you all. See you in just a second. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. And guess what? Remember back in high school when you could take a picture of each other? Hi, Mindy.
Hi.
Mindy is here with me, and we are here to reveal our wonderful Valentine's Day surprise. Hey, everyone. All right, I will be right back.
All right, so we're back, and this is Jennifer's completed painting. And you see we have the cute little cookie there still. And so, guess what? They turn out pretty cute. Look at those cute little owls. Oh, aren't they cute? So, I took a little time this morning before I headed in to frame mine. I got it framed. Look at that. I'm going to set it back here because, there we go. Look at that. So I just threw it in a little frame, put a little cute washi tape on there. Aren't they cute? So that's an 8x10 frame in case you were wondering. You pick that up at the store and there you go. Aren't they cute? They really turned out really well.
Oh, I'm so jealous of Mindy and her washi tape. She did amazing.
Yeah, I just got that. It was just a recent purchase and I thought, oh, it's got hearts and it'll be really cute with that. So.
Well, and they're snug as a bug in a rug, as
They
lovebirds.
are. They are, and they're so cute. So it turned out really well. It's interesting to see somebody else's painting, and they really look almost identical. So that's kind of interesting.
Do you want to hold yours up and I'll hold mine up and you can see?
Yeah. So there they are.
So it's our little experiment. They turn out the same.
They do. Imagine that. So there we go. All right. So we're going to get ready to do our little drawing here and pick some winners to win our little Valentine surprise.
Should we show them what the surprise is?
Yes, let's show them what the
All
surprise
right.
is.
So,
Are you ready? Go ahead, show yours.
So Wizardy Arts, that is who these owls are by. Also, we thought you might want your own Wizardy Art Valentine fun. So people from my channel, I will be sending you a Valentine wonderful double-sided Wizardy Art charm. It's a diamond.
Isn't that cool? That is so cool. And I went with the love theme again. And I got these cute little lovebirds. So I made one of these charms just the other day. And they're really nice. They turn out really, really cute. So lovebirds and diamonds. So this one will be from my channel. Diamonds from Jennifer's channel.
Yes.
Nice.
Are you guys ready to see who might win?
I am.
All right, Mindy, how did
I'm
they
excited.
register to win?
By commenting on our videos on our lives. We
All
have
right.
2 weeks of lives, and you can comment on each week, both of our channels, and make a comment.
All right, so Mindy, how are we going to do, because we have 2 videos?
We do have 2 videos, so we're going to pull a winner from my first live and my second live, and then look, we have the infamous coin. We have a coin, and we're going to flip a coin between the 2 winners from each of the videos, and that will be my winner. And then Jennifer will do the same thing. pull a winner from each of her videos, and then we'll flip a coin to choose between the two.
All right, so bear with us in having to do this comment picker, but this is Wendy, Love is in the Air. Was that your second one?
I don't remember if it was.
All right, Valentine project starts. That's the first one.
There we go.
Okay, so we're gonna go share, copy. I'm gonna go over to random comment picker.
You guys are all familiar with that page.
Yeah. All right, I'm on my Apple. I gotta figure out how to cut and paste. Whoops, that's not it. All right, then we're going
So my
to
video is in there.
get your YouTube. Spray
Look,
Wi-Fi
we have
is
barbed wire there or something.
all right. So we had 21
Ooh, 21 comments.
comments, and then we're gonna make sure you're still on the screen.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna hit start. You ready, guys? And Mendy, you can announce the winner.
Who do we have? Emmy Lou Graham. Ooh, Emmy Lou wrote a big long comment. What did she write? My favorite Valentine's Day memory is of my husband. Each year for 30 years he gave me a box of chocolates and cooked my favorite dinner for me. I never took this for granted. He gave me his time and effort, and what better gift than that? Aww. How do you like the new mud for your pen from Whimsical Daisy? Yeah, it's interesting. I've been watching your videos since last summer and enjoy them. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Emmy Lou. Those are great memories to have with your husband. That is so sweet. So, Emmy Lou, you're halfway there.
All right, and then we've got Love is in the Air. Share, copy. I'm gonna replace this.
Put the new video in there.
The new video. 32.
Ooh, that might got some good comments.
Yeah. All right, Mendy, here you go.
Alrighty.
Start. Oh, make sure you're still on the screen.
Carly A wrote, so glad I found your channel through Jen. Oh, I have been enjoying watching your videos. Love those owls. Oh, thank you. The owls are so cute. Okay, so we have Carly.
Yes.
And we have Emmy Lou.
Yes.
Now,
Who's going to be heads and who's going to be tails?
I don't know. You pick. Who's going to be heads and who's going to be tails?
Okay, let's just do alphabetical because
Okay.
E for Emmy is heads and
Okay.
K for Carly is tails.
Okay, so here we go.
All right, I'm going to watch you.
Heads or tails? Ready? Here it goes. It is
Ready?
heads.
Woohoo! That's
It's
Emmy
heads.
Lou.
So it's Emmy Lou. All right. I suppose I should write this down. What do you think?
Congratulations, Emmy Lou.
That's
Oh,
awesome.
happy Valentine's Day.
So I suppose at the end of this video, we'll kind of tell you what you should do to claim your prize. We'll tell you at the end. How's that?
Yeah.
We'll finish Jennifer's drawings, and then we'll tell you at the end what to do to claim your prize. Okay?
That sounds good.
All right.
All right, so my first video, we're going to plug in here. Make sure everybody can see it. So we're on the up and up. 10.
Well, you know.
That's okay. All right. So we're going to start.
Here they go. Here they go.
Narita. Hi, Jennifer. Awesome idea. Just saw Mindy's video. So since I already shopped on their site, I'm assuming I can still get the discount on my entire purchase. Yes, using DP Love. Thank you, Wizardry Arts, for that. Please let me know if I am wrong in my thinking. Thanks. They have such beautiful and high quality products.
They do. They're very nice.
So Narita went over and added to slash her stash.
Okay.
All right. We're going to copy the second video. I'm so glad this random comment picker exists. It has been a lifesaver.
I use a different one. I don't know why I don't use this one. I found something different. But
So this is 21. All right. Start.
do.
Crafting with Dixie.
Yeah, Dixie.
Hi, love new sub here. Oh, I'm so glad, Dixie. Best gift for Valentine's Day was the year my baby brother Jack was born, 1965. Woo! All right, so we have Narita and we have Dixie.
Yay, Narita and Dixie.
Okay.
All right, so
What
we're
are we
going to
gonna
do the
do?
same way. Dixie is heads and Narita is tails.
All right.
How's that?
Okay, I'm going to try to be fancy. Flick it. All right. Oh, it must be a heads day. So what is that?
We said Dixie is heads.
Woo!
Alphabetical order.
Yeah, so congratulations, Dixie.
All right, Dixie.
All right, so we're going to put this up so you guys have something nice to look at. All right, so Mindy, how do you want them to contact you for yours?
In my video description, you know, the little arrow, you gotta click the little arrow to get to the descriptions. Some people don't know that.
Yeah,
I just
good
realized
tip.
that. They don't know there's a little arrow you click and there's all kinds of stuff
It's like
down
a
there.
downward carrot.
Ooh, a downward carrot. So click the little arrow and below will be my email address. And you can email me with your address. Say, hey, I'm Emmy Lou and I won, and give me your address. So click that little arrow, go to my email, and just email me your address, and I'll get it right out to you.
That sounds great. Same with me. There's the little carrot down below with my email address. Dixie, if you want to email me and let me know your address, I'll get that out this week.
Yeah. So wasn't that fun?
Yes, that was it. This is the first time I've ever done a meet and greet with another diamond painter.
Me too.
And the funny thing is the place we wanted to go was closed.
Yep.
So we went across the street to the small little bakery.
Yep.
And Mindy, what did you find on your way back from the bathroom?
Oh, on my way back from the bathroom down the hallway is a diamond painting with cupcakes that
It was like it was meant to be.
I was like, look at this, look. I held it up. That was funny. So somebody has gifted them, or maybe somebody who works here made it. I don't know. We didn't ask, but it's sitting down there in the hallway. It was cute.
So even in this small little town, diamond painting has
There you
made it.
go. There
All
you go.
right. Well, guys, I'm Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures signing off.
And Mindy's Diamond Moment.
I'll see you later.
Bye-bye.